Hello BBT traders, it's Peter D. I just wanted to quickly recap a trade I made on Workday that we talked about in the room. So Workday, I saw some consolidation below VWAP this morning. It actually had positive news, but it looked weak. So I saw this consolidation, so decided to go short right here, which is at 150.08. I wasn't sure how far I was going to drop, so I'd set some targets to say after $1 I was going to take a partial, and then it went down another 60 cents or so, so I took another partial. As it turns out, I probably partialed too quickly, but I decided to, so it was a 200 share trade. I took 100 here, and then I took 50 here, which left me with 50 shares. I thought it was actually 25, but it was 50 that I had left. And I had 50 shares, which I held. I wasn't seeing significant pullback, as you can see on both the 5 and the 15 minute. I mean, this thing just went straight down. So I wasn't seeing any green. So what I did is at this point, I put a trailing stop of $1.50. So I was already about $4 into the money. A trailing stop means that I was willing to give up $1.50 from the lowest achieved price as a stop loss. So it'll automatically track that for me, and it'll get me out when the price rises $1.50 from whatever the lowest price is. So as you can see, it just sort of rode the 9 MA all the way down, occasionally bopping above it, but never breaking the 20 on the 1 minute chart. And I just let it go. I was watching other things. At this point, it hit its low at 141, and then it spiked up, and I got out because it went up $1.50. Now, one of the things you need to know about setting a trailing stop is while I set it at $1.50, I actually got out at about 142.72, which is about 22 cents above where I set the trailing stop. What happens is it sells you at market whatever it can get, and that was the best available price after it hit the 142.50 mark because the price was just moving so fast. Now it's sitting a little over 144, so I'm very glad that I got out when I did. All right, hope you guys are having a great day, and happy trading.